You are watching Chennai Press News, number one online news channel. Divis, the not-for-profit organization dedicated to the prevention and care of diabetes, gestational diabetes and non-communicable diseases in girls and women, conducted the Diabetes Update 2025 on February 8 and 9 in Chennai. Divis partnered with the George Institute, the global health organization based in India, China, UK and Australia.
Everyone, thank you for coming. So yesterday and today we have this symposium on women of reproductive age and their health concerns, primarily focused on diabetes and weight problems in women of reproductive age, and we discussed everything from why is that happening to what is the scope of the problem, what impact it has on pregnancy and the mother's health and the baby's health. And then we talked about like what options are there, lifestyle modification, newer medications that are coming in, and also a little bit about bariatric surgery. And there was an excellent discussion yesterday with experts. But today it's completely focused on, in one hall, on women and diabetes. So people may be wondering, why should we talk separately about women? Diabetes is diabetes, right? But that's not so. There is a great need to kind of shine the gender lens on chronic diseases, which does not happen because women's experiences are completely different. And the health condition itself, which we are talking about, here it is diabetes, the way it presents, the scope of the problem, how women experience it, outcomes for treatment. The same treatment works differently in women and men, so outcomes, all that will be discussed in one hall. And in the other, we are discussing today all day diabetes and pregnancy, which is a really important issue because gestational diabetes has gone up a lot. Was like 4% about 20 years ago. Now it's somewhere around 15 to 20% of pregnant women are having gestational diabetes, and it can be early, it can be late. So we are discussing all aspects of that. But I'm particularly, honored and thrilled that Professor Jane Hurst, who is right here, is going to deliver the Divas oration this year. The oration is on pregnancy as a window to future chronic disease. It's important, it's not very new, but it's an important concept that I think it needs to be popularized. And so women who have high risk pregnancies can be aware and take care of their health going forward. Healthcare providers can keep them tagged and keep following them, and their families can help them. So, and policymakers can make the necessary changes for that. So at every level, I think this is such an important thing that she's going to talk about today. But both Professor Hurst and I are working on something called as the 3B project, which you see behind, and you also see all this A to Z. And I will let Professor Hurst explain that.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. It's an honor for me to be here in Chennai and be here with DWAS and with Dr. Usha and to be giving the oration this year at the DWAS conference. My name is Jane Hurst. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist from the UK. And my special area of interest is around diabetes in pregnancy and how we can improve outcomes for women and babies during the pregnancy, but importantly throughout women's lives afterwards. And as Usha mentioned, we have this 3B project, and the 3B stands for before, between, and beyond pregnancy. So a lot of focus on women when they fall pregnant. She gets a lot of extra care. She has extra visits with the doctor. Her family are all looking after her, hopefully at the right time. But what we find is before the pregnancy, that care is not there. Immediately after the pregnancy, for the woman, the care is not there. It shifts to the baby. And longer term, she often prioritizes her family and other things above her own health. But we're trying to raise awareness about the importance of women's health throughout their lives, not just for their baby, but for their whole family and for themselves. And we've developed this scheme, the A to Z, of how women need to care for themselves before, between and beyond pregnancy. And you can see it's quite comprehensive, not just covering diabetes, but covering a whole lot of other things to do with your nutrition, your physical health, your mental health, your sleep and social support, and also being happy and healthy within your family and your community. So we're really excited about this initiative. My talk today, I'm going to be talking about pregnancy as a window on future health. And what we mean by that is women who develop complications of pregnancy, including gestational diabetes, but also high blood pressure in pregnancy, and also some other complications of pregnancy like delivering early, preterm birth, having a baby that sadly dies, a stillbirth, having what we call placental abruption, which is a bleeding disorder with the placenta in pregnancy. All these conditions, we know those women who develop them are at higher risk of having cardiovascular and what we call metabolic or like diabetes complications later on. And we've known this now for at least 20 years, and we've been looking and admiring the problem for a long time, and we call it looking through the window. It's now time to throw the window open and start to do something about this and start to make women and communities and doctors more aware of this so we can improve the screening and prevention and stop women dying prematurely from strokes, heart disease and other problems, which are the leading causes of death in India for women as well as around the world. So that's kind of the work we're going to be doing in a nutshell here. And as I say, it's a great pleasure to be able to share it with you today.